Hey there, friends! I'm Benny. This is our second lesson about super cool Python programming.
That's right, Benny. Hi, everyone. I'm Toby. Today we will watch second lesson about Python data types. To watch the first lesson, please click the link in the description. So, are you ready to start with lesson 2, Benny?
Yes, Toby. I feel super excited. And now, I am going to share my computer screen with the PyCharm to start with our second lesson. Friends, here is my computer screen. And as you can see, in our first lesson, we wrote our first Python program to add and print some of our ages 4 and 92.
Thanks, Benny, for sharing your computer screen. Hey, while looking at your Python program, I got an idea.
And what is your idea, Toby?
Actually, Benny, you can also store the sum of our ages in a Python variable and ask Python to print the variable.
That's a great idea, Toby. Friends, if you do not know what a variable is, there is a link for you in the description section of our video. So I will call the variable sum of our ages. And now I will add the print command to print the variable. Let's now run this program. And yes, here is the result.
You are very smart, Benny. Now, do you want to say something to me, Benny, in Python?
Yes, I want to say I love you, Toby. And again, I will use variable to print it. Now, I will run this program to print it. And here it is. I love you, Toby.
Thank you, Benny. How about we also try Boolean data types?
You read my mind, Toby. I was about to do the same. So here it is. I am going to decide if my carrots are yummy or not.
You and your carrots.
Now, I will also try the other example of the race between our grandfathers that we talked about in our first lesson. So let's write, rabbit won the race equals false, because my grandfather lost that race. Now I will run to see the values, and voila, here are the printed variables. Wow, I am loving to code, Toby. Thanks for teaching me all this.
I'm glad, Benny. And remember, learning is fun when we do it together. Bye, everyone. Go try coding and see what you can create.
Goodbye and happy coding. See you in our next lesson.